Introducing the only e-bike small and light enough to carry in a backpack. The SMA Circle S1. SMA Circle is more than just an e-bike. It's your new everyday companion for better, easier transportation.
My name is Zhang Wu. I'm the co-founder and chief marketing officer at SMA Circle Technology. So many of us experience problems in our commutes, traffic jams, crowded public transportation, and distance that are too far. We committed to creating the best possible solutions.
Because of its carbon fiber frame, it weighs a mere 15.4 pounds. As soon as you're ready to ride, you can be on your way in seconds with 5 easy steps. Monitor your speed, distance, your lights, your battery, all while charging your smartphone. The S1 is durable and tough. It can easily carry up to 220 pounds. With its sleek, modern design, the S1 gets you from A to B in style. The SMA Circle S1 will keep you cruising at a speed of 12.4 miles per hour. The simple handlebar thumb control allows the rider to adjust speed. The left thumb brake will quickly and safely stop the S1. When your ride is done, simply use the SMA Circle app to lock your S1, making it unusable to anyone but you.
SMA Circle team has spent countless days on research and development. We want to design an e-bike. Not only can save energy, but also can save time and space, so you can take with you wherever you can.
Whether you're commuting to work or cruising through the park, the S1's adjustable seat and handlebars always make for a comfortable ride. The SMA Circle S1, the most portable and lightweight e-bike available today.
Tennis is one of the greatest sports of all time. The feeling you get when you hit that perfect shot or kick serve down the line is indescribable. Perfecting these shots takes countless hours of practice, and with that comes the inevitable chore of picking up hundreds of tennis balls scattered all over the court. Players and coaches everywhere know the frustration and tediousness that goes into collecting balls during a practice session. And this is why we invented Tenabot. Tenabot is the world's first robotic ball collector. Tenabot perfectly integrates computer vision and artificial intelligence to detect tennis balls on the court and collect them for players. You can let Tenabot work autonomously using the station that easily attaches to the net post, or use Tenabot's app to customize where in the court the device will clear. Tenabot easily syncs to your phone and even your Apple Watch to make activation quick and seamless. The app also keeps track of how many balls are collected during a session and how often you practice. So feel free to brag to your friends about how you're stepping up your game while never having to pick up another tennis ball. Tenabot was designed with convenience in mind. The removable bucket holds up to 80 balls and lets you easily continue your hitting session after Tenabot has cleared the court. The battery takes only 90 minutes to charge and runs for 4 to 5 hours. Its portable design lets you pick up Tenabot and wheel it on and off the court, just like a suitcase. And when you're done, Tenabot's compact size makes it easy to fit in the trunk of your car. So, instead of picking up balls, players can relax, hydrate, or just keep playing.
We have created multiple prototypes of Tenabot and performed thousands of tests to come up with the perfect training partner. With Tenabot's patented design and advanced algorithms, we can make tennis more convenient for players at all levels.
Whether you're hitting with a ball machine, volleying with a friend, or giving a lesson, Tenabot helps you get the most out of your time on the court.
Our dream is to get more people playing tennis, having fun, and improving their shots, whether it's a forehand, backhand, or a kick serve. We have a great product, an amazing team, and we can't wait to put the Tenabot in your hands. But we need your help. In order to start manufacturing and shipping worldwide, we need a large enough order. Together, we can kickstart this revolutionary product and take the tedious out of tennis.
A lot of the most meaningful photographs come from traveling to places that people have never experienced before. And the effort that goes into capturing that moment for people to enjoy, those are the moments that I live for. Those moments are rarely captured under the best conditions. Adding Riverbank to my gear kit enables me to go further off the grid and handle any situation. Riverbank is the first module portable power solution of its kind. The main module has 2 USB-C and 2 USB-A ports, and it supports wireless charging. There's also an LED screen that shows you how much battery life you have left, how much power your devices are drawing, and what ports you're using. The AC module has a standard 110-volt AC port and can be connected to the main module to increase my overall power capacity. The versatility of combining both modules allows me to create a portable workstation wherever. I can charge my laptop 4 times, camera batteries 18 to 20 times, and phone 18 to 30 times. And even when I'm all out of ports on my laptop, I can use Riverbank as a USB hub to transfer photos from my SD card to my computer. The car jump starter module could jumpstart my car up to 10 times in one charge, and also adds power capacity when stacked with the Riverbank main module. And this thing keeps me on the road and on time for the next shoot. All 3 modules are less than 100 watt-hours each. This makes Riverbank the largest capacity power station you can legally fly with. The Riverbank can be used to power the whole team during a meeting. It can power my laptop in busy coffee shops where wall outlets aren't accessible, and the extra adapter tips make Riverbank compatible with most laptop models. And I can recharge it with EcoFlow's portable solar panels when I'm outside, so I still have juice to power my barbecues with friends at the end of the day. Wherever I am in the world, Riverbank keeps me powered and connected so that I never miss a moment.